Hello everyone and welcome to our today's lesson presented to you by your teacher Mr. Lucky. I hope all is well and you are staying safe at home. But before we begin this lesson today, I just want to give you tips on how to reduce the risk of the coronavirus infection. Real quick to the tips. Tips number 1, always wash your hands with soap and water. You can use also sanitizers. Okay guys? And cover your mouth and nose if you cough or sneeze with the inside of your elbow. Do not get close to anyone who has cold or flu-like symptoms. Go to the doctor if you have fever, cough, or feel that you have some difficulties in breathing. Okay, if you go to the market, do not touch animals, okay, or anything in the area they stay. Okay, now real quick on our today's lesson. Singular and plural nouns. Okay, today we're going to learn about singular and plural nouns. There are 6 ways to change a noun from singular to plural. Okay, there are 6 ways to change a noun from singular to plural. What is a noun? A noun is a person, place, or a thing. A noun is a person, place, or a thing. Singular means only one noun. Okay? Singular means only one noun. Plural means more than one noun. Okay? More than one. Singular means only one. Plural means more than one. Okay? Now, real quick, let's look the rules. Rule number 1: most nouns become plural by adding s. Okay? Rule number 1: most nouns become plural by adding s. What do you mean by this? For example, boy, boys. We just add an s. Book, books. Desk, desks. Okay? Desk, desks. We add an s. School, schools. I repeat, rule number 1: most nouns become plural by adding s. For example, boy, boys. Book, books. Desk, desks. School, schools. Rule number 2: nouns that end in ch, sh, x, we always add es at the end. Okay? Nouns that end in ch, sh, and x. Okay? For the plural, we add es. What do we mean by this? Real quick to the examples. Bush, sh. Okay? Sh. Bush, plural, bushes. Okay? Bush, bushes. Okay? Bush, bushes. We add es. Box, boxes. Okay? We add es at the end. Church, churches. Okay? Rule number 3: nouns that end in f or fe often change to ves. What do we mean by this? For example, number 1, wife, F-E, plural, wives, V-E-S. Another example, wolf, wolves. Another example. Okay, rule number 4. Some nouns change the inside spelling. Rule number 4. Some nouns change the inside spelling. What do we mean by this? For example, number 1, man, men. Okay? Singular, man, plural, men. Goose, geese. Okay? Mouse, mice. Rule number 5. Nouns that end in consonant, letter, and Y. Drop the Y and add I-E-S. What do we mean by this? For example, number 1, sky, we say skies, I-E-S. We have dropped the Y. Okay? Puppy, puppies. Donkey, donkeys. Okay? Key, keys. Rule number 6. Some nouns do not change when making them plural. What do we mean by this? Let's see. For example, wheat, it just remains wheat. We don't add anything. They do not change. Wheat do not change. It remains the way it is. Wheat, wheat. Deer, deer. Fish, fish. It doesn't change. Corn, it's corn. In plural. They don't change. Not. They don't change their form. Okay? Singular, plural. They remain the way they are. Now, real quick, let's look at the review. I mean, the whole sum up of our lesson today. Number 1, most nouns become plural by adding an S. Okay? Most nouns become plural by adding S. For example, cup, cups. Number 2, nouns that end in ch, sh, x, and add es. For example, dish, dishes. Number 3, nouns that end in f or fe often change to ves. I repeat, nouns that end in f or f or fe often change to ves. Examples: knife, knives. Number 4, some nouns change the inside spellings. For example, woman, woman. Okay? Nouns that end in consonant letter and Y, drop the Y and add IES. For example, fly, flies. Monkey, monkeys. Number 6, Some nouns do not change when making them plural. For example, cotton, plural is cotton. We don't say cottons, okay? Cotton is cotton. Now, let's do a practice. Number 1. Singular mouse, plural, what's going to be? Who's going to tell us? Mouse, mice, correct. Fly, consonant and Y, we add I, E, S. Let's see. Fly, flies, correct. Pen, we just add an S. Pen, pens. Flash, flashes. Okay. Rice, rice. Rice does not have plural. It remains the way it is. Singular rice, plural rice. It does not change. Life, lives. Okay. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Till next time. Bye and stay safe.